Welcome to Tech Boss again. In this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset ITEL P51. Before we start, I will ask from you guys to hit on the subscribe button so when I upload new videos you can get update automatically. At the same time you are supporting the hustler. Subscribe now and let's start the process. First, press power button. Second, up volume. You must press them and hold them like this. Up volume, power. You must press and hold them like this. Let's start. Up volume, power, and hold them. And now press the down as OK. Press the down as OK and select recovery mode, down volume. The down. And now use the down to move. The down to move. And select web data factory reset and press power. Use the down to move and select power. Now press power to reboot your phone. And don't forget to subscribe and check the link below the description to bypass ITEL P51. Thank you for all this video.